Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I need you to get out your 10 frame work mat, your number 10 number card, and your chips or your counters, please. Mrs. Hensley is going to use her magnetic board. Magnetic 10 frame. Okay, here we go. Get your chips and get ready. We're starting on the left at the top. Top and going all the way across and bottom across. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see why that's called a 10 frame? Because there are 10. It's all filled up. There's none that are empty, is there? So that is called a 10 frame, and that's why, because 10 counters fit on it, or 10 chips, okay? So I want you to clear your work mat. You can practice doing your 10 frame work mat with numbers 0 through 10 now, because we are learning 0 through 10 this week, okay? So remember, this is how I want you to, after you clear your board and you're done with your work mat and your number cards, I want you to count to make sure you have 20, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have them all. Listen for the click. Wasn't a very loud click, was it? Listen. There we go. It's all closed up. I would like for your 10 frame and your number cards and your chips to all be in a safe place. So when we need them, we can get them again. But if you want, you can practice numbers 1 through 10, okay, using your chips and counting. Okay, that's great, great practice. We are focusing on number 10 today. So on this activity, you will have a number 10 activity, okay? I hope you guys have a fantabulous Friday, and I will talk to you soon. We have something special coming up, and you are going to be so excited. I will see you soon, friends. Bye.